The different municipalities and city comprising the province of Tarlac in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. The province of Tarlac has the city of Tarlac as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. It is composed of one city, 17 municipalities, and 511 barangays. It was founded on May 28, 1873. The total land area is 3,046.49 kilometers squared or 1,176.26 square miles. The province of Tarlac is bordered clockwise from the north by Pangasinan, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, and Zambales. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Tarlac in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. The municipality of Anao with 18 barangays, municipality of Bamban with 15 barangays, municipality of Camiling with 61 barangays, municipality of Capas with 20 barangays, municipality of Concepcion with 45 barangays, municipality of Gerona with 44 barangays, municipality of La Paz with 21 barangays, and the municipality of Mayantok with 24 barangays. We also have the municipality of Moncada with 37 barangays, municipality of Paniki with 35 barangays, municipality of Pura with 16 barangays, municipality of Ramos with 9 barangays, municipality of San Clemente with 12 barangays, municipality of San Jose with 13 barangays, and the municipality of San Manuel with 15 barangays, and also the municipality of Santa Ignacia with 24 barangays. We also have the capital city, the provincial center or the provincial capital, the city of Tarlac with 76 barangays, and the municipality of Victoria with 26 barangays. And that is all about the different city and municipalities comprising the province of Tarlac in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.